Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. And today we are visiting Point Marina. Actually, kind of a slower weekend down here, if you can't tell. This is not the typical busy, slam-packed Point we normally see. But our crew's making their approach. And Cap is coming in a little hot, especially as we get close to the dock here. He's going to have to brake check this one for sure. And he's even turning into the dock at this speed. This is a strange approach. Backs off there. And brake checks the wrong way. And that's going to pull the boat out. He actually had it lined up okay, but then when he went for the brake check because he was moving too fast, he turned the wheel the wrong direction, and that just causes this to happen. So we've got Wifey on the assist, and it looks like a dog on the gunnel for the assist as well. And now I think the motor's stalled. Did he get it fired back up there? And it looks like it went back that time. There we go. So he's going to try and make this reapproach. Wifey's going to move to the bow to try and help out. So is the dog. She's going to get a foot off and get onto the dock, and so will the dog. So our guy's trying to tell her to tie the line, but I think she's tying it too close on the bow here. And he's being kicked out. One toss down. We've got the miss. And I think he's almost too far away now. Two tosses out, but there's nobody over there. Are we back in gear? Watch out. And he smacks the dock. And Wifey's going to try and slowly walk him up this time. And now he's back into a spot where he might be able to toss that stern line off and let these guys get it lined up. And here we go. We go for another toss and a miss. Oh, no. Is he back in gear? He must have been back in gear. It was reversing out on him. The struggle is real down here at Point today. So our guy, same deal, goes back for a line. Wifey and dog on the ready. Takes his time this time, sets it up, and Wifey for the grab, and we will get this one pulled home. It's always an adventure down here at Point. Dog's the word of the day. Apparently we've got lots of animals coming in down here today. And this crew's making their approach as well. I tell you what, man, maybe it's the current pulling behind these guys today, or the wind or something, because everybody, I feel like, is coming in just a little hot. He's going to have to brake check too. Oh, we got the hard brake check. Fortunately, nobody goes. Man, when you see him hit that hard, I'm always waiting for somebody to fall out of the boat on that one. I'm not sure why. Again, we've got another boater coming in hot. Wifey steps off onto the dock. Cap still hasn't brake checked yet. Oh, and he drags Wifey a little bit. Finally, we get it the slowdown here at the end, but man, they were coming in hot, and that was a close one. Wifey could have got pulled down on that one for sure. That line got tight and drug her forward. I mean, you can tell by the trees the wind's blowing a little bit today. We've got a little bit of a current, and I mean, it's giving boaters fits today. Almost everybody's using a little extra power to try and come in a little hotter than normal, and it's definitely showing on all these approaches I'm seeing. Oh man, we missed it. I knew I heard something, but we were focused on the scout that was loading. My man just drug the ever-living snot out of this skeg. I don't think the prop hit it. Might have hit it very first, but as soon as it turned, it's fine. It was clearing. Oh man, we get so laser focused sometimes on things that are going on, and we'll just miss some things happening. And it's okay. I mean, he drug it. He's checking it out, but he'll be all right, and they'll be able to move on. And we got Wifey in the truck, giving her a little encouragement. And we're sliding. I just watched the rear end of the truck slide over. She's kind of hit that pinnacle breaking point. Hubby shakes his head a little. It was just a small slide, though. We're not done yet. See how they decide to approach this one. If we're going to try repulling or see if we can get a little assistance. So she's backing up just a little bit. And hubby's telling her something. I think he's giving her the go for it sign to try and go for it again. And she's going to get it up. So this is a rare one where we're going to see the pull out without any assistance on a truck that was spinning tires here at Black Point. This one's a little strange. I'm not the best judge of age, not going to lie. I can't tell if people are 17 or if they're 45 anymore. Maybe that's just the society we live in. But I'm pretty sure the person driving this boat is probably 12. So it's going to be interesting to see how this approach works out. It looks like Dad's on the bow of the boat. Old Sonny Boy decided he was going to bring her in. And let's see how that plays out. Right now his approach is actually pretty solid. And he's keeping the motor straight using the 2-engine approach, where he's basically doing most of his steering just with the throttles. And man, he was so confident he walked away from the helm. Wow. I mean, but here you can tell, it's a younger kid. Maybe he's 16. I really don't know. I can't tell. It's not one of those things I can easily identify from here. But he's definitely a younger gentleman and did an epic job right there. Really brought this thing home. I'm impressed. I didn't expect that. When I saw the younger kid approaching, maybe that was unfair of me, but I looked and I'm like, oh man, here we go. This is going to be an interesting one as they approach the dock. And then my man shows off and even walks away from the helm at the end because he was so confident in his approach that he knew it was just going to lightly butt up to the dock and they were going to be good to go. And my man's brought it home and they're going to be able to get out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.